Hello, and in this video I'll show you how to unlock your Apple ID when it's locked. There are various scenarios you might get the Apple ID locked. Got a second-hand phone from an auction with the former owner's Apple ID on it, forgot the password, someone else typed in wrong passwords on your phone too many times, etc. With Find My iPhone on, anyone who attempts to sign out the Apple ID will be required to enter the password. For-You-Key is a powerful tool designed to unlock all kinds of locks on iPhone, like 4 or 6-digit passwords, Touch ID, Face ID, or Apple ID. To save you time, I'll skip the part of downloading and installing. You can always download the latest version on www.tenorshare.com. Okay, let's get started. Now we launch For-You-Key. Go to Unlock Apple ID section. Plug your iPhone in, start. Now go to Settings, reset all settings on your phone. Here we go. The unlock process has begun. Well done. Let's see what happened on your phone. It's unlocked. Congratulations!